That is my half-drowned rooster. He was chasing a duck, and he chased it into the pond. And I was standing there and seeing the whole thing. So the pond has an edge, so he was standing on the ledge, soaking wet. So I brought the hairdryer out here. I was gonna dry him out here, and then he stunk really bad. So I took him in the house and gave him a bath and blow dry. It's all good now. It's nice and warm in here. It's around 80. So that's warm enough for him to finish drying. Looks good. It's been crazy town around here. Brought the babies out. They are at the age where I really don't like having them in the house anymore. So it's time to make the transfer. They're almost 4 weeks old. But they're starting to get stinky, and then they start making a dusty mess. When they're little, they make less of a mess. These guys were fighting yesterday. Little miss in the back. She's getting really protective of her babies. Clean, dry rooster. Hey babies. I've seen all 4 of them today. But I didn't have my camera on me at that minute. But you can see one. Hey baby. There we go. So they're looking pretty good. Flower bed I'm putting them in needs just a little work. So that's what I'm doing. I did 2 so that I could flank both sides of the gate. These ones are deep red. I'll see if I can find the picture. Real pretty. Kind of doing a red theme in the front. Red, burgundies, purples. And then over here, I have a multicolored poppy. I'll put 2 together. And there was a white flower over here. Where did it go? Is this it? I think that's it. It turned out to be a poppy. I put wildflower seeds in here. I did last year, and I do it fairly often. So sometimes something will come up and stump me because I didn't actually plant it. Look what I found. Isn't that pretty? Zucchini squash. Down in there. No, it won't stretch. There are buds forming in the middle. So they are ready to plant out. We have a warm week. So I can plant them as long as I can cover them. This one's getting tall. Needs water. My first straw flower. These came from not a seed pack, but from a flower head. And Lily wasn't sure if they would be good seeds or not. Marshmallows. Marshmallow has sprouted. They did come from a seed pack. That one looks like it needs watered. And ground cherries. That came from a ground cherry, so we'll see. I've had really good luck with seeds from food. And the white marigolds. These are really special. I've never seen a white marigold. Lily is very excited about them. And now that I've thought about it, I am too. So my hope is that I'll have enough things sprouting that I can share back with her later.